In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an alternator on a Jeep Cherokee with a 2.4 liter engine. It is located in the engine area. To remove the front passenger wheel, you want to take these 5 lug nuts off. They're 19 millimeters. After you remove your wheel, you have a 10 millimeter bolt here. Remove that. And these 2 clips here and there. These are 2-piece clips, so the center will come out. Take your panel, put it off to the side. You have 3 8 millimeter bolts. Remove those. Then you have one last one out here, but this one is missing on ours. Take your wheel liner around your strut, hang it off to the side. Your serpentine belt has a tensioner, which is right here. It's a 16 millimeter bolt. You want to put a wrench on that, pull down, and then slide your belt off. Remove your serpentine belt. Set that aside. Let's get ready to remove the negative battery terminal. The battery is located on the driver's side, front of the vehicle, next to the washer bottle. It's a 10 millimeter nut. You just want to loosen it. Give it a wiggle, put it off to the side, make sure it's not touching anything. Take this air tube off. You have your clamp there, which is an 8 millimeter or a regular screwdriver. You have your hose that goes into the valve cover. You want to pop that off. Take your 10 millimeter mounting bolt out. Just pop this off the air cleaner box. You want to pull your clip up here, pop that off. Go in here, take the other clamp off your throttle body, which is an 8 millimeter or a regular screwdriver. You have your ear intake sensor, push down and pull out. Take your ear inlet tube out and put it off to the side. We need to remove this snorkel piece for the air filter. There's 2 8 millimeter bolts and 1 10 millimeter bolt. Those off to the side. This comes straight out. Take your air filter box, pull straight up, and put that off to the side. Now it's time to remove your alternator. You have 3 13 millimeter bolts, 1 up top, 2 on the bottom. Push it out of the way. Just make sure your negative battery cable is disconnected. Take your alternator, just lay it down off to the side. On your back side of your alternator, you have your wire that goes here. You can take this little cover. Your nut is a 13 millimeter nut. You want to loosen that. You want to remove that. You want to loosen that, put that off to the side. Remove your cable, put that off to the side. Now you have your connector. Red tab gets pushed straight up, going from the back side with a pick. Lift up, pull your connector off. And there's your alternator. Take your alternator, slide it down. Connect your connector first. Push straight down. Make sure that red tab is locked. Take your wire, install it onto your stud. Install your 13mm nut. Tighten that down snug. Put your cover back over. Make sure you're clicked in. Right here you have an alignment sleeve. That alignment sleeve goes into that hole there. Take your bolts. You can do your top bolt first. It's a lot easier. That'll help you hold the alternator straight. Just want to start that by hand. You don't want to tighten that all the way because you want to give it a little wiggle room to install your other two bolts that go on the bottom. And you want to torque those down to 18 foot-pounds. Now it's time to install your serpentine belt. Make sure it's in all the grooves of the pulleys. Pull on the tensioner. Get your belt into that groove. Make sure your belt is in all your grooves. And that's how you put your belt on. Take your fender liner. Install that back in its holder. Put your cover back. Put your 10mm bolt back in here. You have your clip. Goes back there. This is the two-piece one. This outer, center, push in. Same thing here. Your outer piece, then your center piece, push it in, tighten your 10mm bolt, take your 8mm bolts, install those back in your fender liner. And don't forget there's one up top here next to the strut that was missing. Take your wheel, line up your lug holes, and put these in by hand so you don't cross thread. Snug them up. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. Take your air cleaner box, push it down on the two holders. Straight down. Now you take your tube for your air cleaner, that up, down, straight over that. Put your 2/8 in your 10mm. Tighten those down. Now it's time for your air tube. Push that down over the throttle body. Put it into the air filter box. Put your hose back on. Put your 10mm bolt back in and tighten that down. Tighten your hose clamp at your air filter box. Take your clip, install it on this box, push it down. Take your air intake tube connector, put that on. And tighten your clamp at your throttle body. Make sure that's nice and tight. Install it back on, and tighten that 10mm bolt.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.